In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send sales receipts in QuickBooks Online. Getting started, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Click on Sign In right there on the home page. Since you're working online, ensure you choose QuickBooks Online as there are different products from QuickBooks, and you want to select the correct one to access your particular dashboard and features. Once you're on the sign-in page, simply type in your user credentials, your email and password. It's really straightforward. After you've entered your details, just press Continue. Now that you're signed in and on your dashboard, let's initiate the process of creating a sales receipt. Do this by clicking on New. This should be located in the left-hand sidebar of the dashboard. It's the starting point for creating many transactions in QuickBooks Online, so it's good to familiarize yourself with it. From the options that pop up, you'll want to click on Sales Receipt. This will bring you to the sales receipt form where you'll fill out the necessary details. First up, you'll need to add the customer. This can be a regular client whose details are already stored in your QuickBooks account, or you can manually enter new details if it's a new customer. Simply click on the customer field and either select an existing customer or add a new one. After you've selected or added a customer, the next step is to input the sales receipt date. Click on the date field and choose the right date from the date picker. If you're working on receipts for a past transaction, make sure you select the correct date for accurate records. Now moving on to how the payment was made, you'll need to add the payment method. This might be cash, credit card, or any other form of payment that you've received. Select the appropriate option from the drop-down menu in the payment method field. Next up is the reference number if applicable. This could be a check number or a unique identifier associated with the sale. Input this in the field marked reference no if you have one. Following this, choose where you want the payment to be deposited. Under Deposit To, select the account where the transaction money should post. Now it's time to add the specific details of the sale itself, namely the product or service that was sold. In the Product Service field, choose the relevant item or service from the list. And in the Adjacent field, enter the amount associated with the sale, how much money you're receiving for this particular transaction. Finally, review the details you've entered for any discrepancies. If everything looks good, click on Save and Close to finalize and store the receipt in your QuickBooks account. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created and stored a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you'll be able to keep accurate records of your sales and ensure your accounting is up to date. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.